Alright guys, what's up? Ghost Mermaid here with HTML tutorial number 1. So, first thing we want to get is a program. The best free one I have found so far would have to be Notepad++. Completely free, Notepad++ on any Google. Just go to the home page. Oops. And download. You just hit download. It's very straightforward. It's very easy to use, but it's not as good as Dreamweaver. Definitely not as good as Dreamweaver, but it's just very easy to use. It's pretty much just it's pretty much just regular Notepad. Alright, so you want to have a new document open. We're going to start out with your basic setup for any HTML website. So you always want to start off, you always have to start off with HTML. Then we got head, and this is where your header is going to be, right here. This is the top portion of your website. Whatever's up there will be above anything in the body, no matter what. You always have to end the tags like that. You have it's /. This right here is the basic setup. You can't do anything without this at all, unless you're styling, which we'll get into later. So now that we covered that, we're gonna go ahead and title our website, which is whatever appears up here. So you just type in title, and then we're gonna do home, and then end title. And we're going to save it because we don't want to get too far without saving. Otherwise, we will. There's a good chance we'll lose our stuff. I don't have any good folders set up. We're going to name it index.html. This is very important that it's index. Otherwise, whenever you host it, you're going to have to rename it, or it won't work. Okay, so we're going to type in, get our first header. A header being the main words displayed. Like in this area right here, we have popular on YouTube. That's a header. So we're going to start off with the biggest header there is, which is H1. And we're going to go home and then end H1. You can always split them up for organization, so it's easy to read, And we're going to save. And then we're going to test it out so we can see it. You're going to hit run up here in the main bar, and we're going to hit launch in Chrome. And this is what we have so far. Just that easy, and we have the words. So notice how it was on the left of the page. We're going to put that in the center. This is styling, it is, but it's very simple styling. So up here we're going to type in style type equals text/CSS. And then right here we're going to type in H1. We're doing this. We can always type the styling right here in the tags, but then we'll have to type that for every single H1. This way, it's going to do it to all header ones automatically. So always have the little brackets or braces. Have the little braces always. That's how you start and end it. Sorry. We want this centered, so it's going to be text dash align equals colon center semicolon, and then we're going to go down. We're going to end H1, and then we're going to end style. What this is going to do is it's going to put any text that's typed in the header one, it's going to move it to the center of the page. Okay, we're going to test this, and it's in the center of the page. Okay, we're going to get our first paragraph now. So, words written below. You guys know what a paragraph is. Alright, so we're going to go with P. P stands for paragraph, obviously. It's not P1, it's just P. There's no differentiating with the paragraphs. And then this is a main body paragraph. And then slash P. And we're going to hit Control S. For save, it's much faster to hit Control S than File, Save. So run it, launch it in Chrome. Now you notice how the H1 is centered, but the paragraph is not. To fix this, instead of H1 text line, we're going to do body. Now any text, like this text, any text, anywhere in the body, anything in here will be centered. So now we saved it, and we're going to go launch in Chrome. Everything's centered. We're going to do an image now. How we do an image is img and then src equals and then quote. We got to type in what our image is named. You can do URLs, but down URLs are usually unstable because if that picture is deleted, then it's deleted on your web page. So you want to have it in the same folder that this script is in. So we'll go get an image real quick. You can go Ghost Mermaid. Save image as ghost.jpg for JPEG. JPEG is the most reliable for websites. So now that we just saved that, we want to move that into where. Probably should have saved it there in the first place, but we're going to move that to where we have index.html. So put it over there. Just that simple. We're going to organize this actually. For anything else, you want to have it organized. That's what I was saying earlier, is I didn't have it organized. So we'll just create a new folder. Home page. Alright. Yes. And then we're going to have to resave it. So image src, and then it's going to be ghost.jpg. Quote. Alt equals, and this is the name of the picture. See, ulterior text. Alternative text, sorry. We'll just type in Ghost Mermaid. Then we're going to go space, / bracket. Well, whatever that thing is. With images, you do not have to have an ending quote. It just ends itself right there. And now we're going to see if this worked. And it didn't. So something's wrong there. So I don't really mess with images much. I see why. Two different indexes. That was a file error. So image src equals ghost.jpg quote. All equals ghost mermaid quote space and save. Oops. Run Chrome. Image works. We can resize that, but that's more styling, so we'll do that later. So as of right now, we have HTML and NHTML. We have your head and your slash head. We have your body and your slash body. We have our styling for a body to center. We have a header, a paragraph, an image, and the title. This is a basic web page for anything. This is your basic setup. And this has been part 1 of the HTML scripting tutorial. stay tuned for part 2. Remember to subscribe, rate, and comment. Ghost Mermaid out.